Tired of slow hair growth? What if I told you that just 1 week could make a difference? Stick around as I share my 7-day hair growth routine that actually works. In this video, I'll guide you through a step-by-step, 7-day hair care routine that's simple yet incredibly effective. Each day is designed to target a specific aspect of hair health. Day 1. Hair oiling for maximum growth. We're starting off with the most important step, hair oiling. For this, you'll need a blend of coconut oil, olive oil, and castor oil, each with its own powerful benefits for hair growth. First, warm up the oils. This helps the nutrients absorb better and opens up your hair shafts. Once warm, apply the oil thoughtfully from your roots to the ends, making sure every strand is coated. Then, gently massage your scalp for about 10 minutes. This not only stimulates blood circulation but also helps the oils penetrate deeper. To maximize the benefits, braid your hair and wrap it with a warm towel. The heat will open up the hair follicles, allowing the oils to absorb more effectively. Now, leave it in overnight. Trust me, your hair will thank you in the morning. Day 2. Hair wash and nourishing conditioner. After letting the oils work overnight, it's time to wash your hair. On day 2, we're focusing on cleansing and nourishing. Start by using a sulfate-free shampoo to gently cleanse your scalp and hair, removing the oil buildup. Sulfate-free shampoo is perfect because it keeps your hair's natural oils intact while cleaning. After shampooing, follow up with a deep conditioner. Choose a conditioner rich in natural ingredients like argan oil or shea butter, which help lock in moisture and keep your hair hydrated. Leave the conditioner in for 3 to 5 minutes to let it really work its magic, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Your hair should feel fresh, smooth, and nourished, ready for the next step in your growth journey. Day 3. Flaxseed Gel for hair nourishment. Today, we're giving your hair the food it deserves. If your hair growth has slowed down or stopped for some reason, trust me, flaxseed gel will help kickstart it again. Let's dive into how amazing flaxseed is for your hair. Why is flaxseed so important? It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins that help nourish your scalp and hair follicles, promoting healthier and faster hair growth. Now, let's make the gel. Take 2 tablespoons of flax seeds and boil them in 1 cup of water for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once it has thickened into a gel-like consistency, strain it and let it cool down. Once the gel is cool, apply it generously to your hair from roots to ends. Don't forget your scalp, as that's where the magic happens. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave the gel in for 2 to 3 hours for maximum results. This will give your hair the nourishment it needs to grow strong and healthy. After that, simply wash it off with plain water, no shampoo needed, as we already did that on day 2. You'll notice your hair feeling softer, shinier, and nourished. No worries, this flaxseed gel is all natural and gentle on your hair. Day 4. Nourishing Hair Mask for deep repair. It's day 4, and today we're giving your hair a much-needed nourishing mask. If your hair feels a little dry or damaged, this mask will restore moisture, repair split ends, and leave your hair feeling soft and silky. Let's prepare a simple DIY mask. You'll need 1 tablespoon of honey for moisture, 2 tablespoons of yogurt for protein and repair, 1 tablespoon of olive oil to lock in shine and hydration. Mix these ingredients together until smooth. Apply this mask generously to your hair, from roots to ends, making sure each strand is coated. Focus on your tips if they feel particularly dry or damaged. Once applied, cover your hair with a shower cap or wrap it with a warm towel. This will help the mask penetrate deeper into your hair follicles, maximizing the benefits. Leave it on for 30 minutes to 1 hour. While you wait, relax and let the mask work its magic. After that, Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. This mask will restore your hair's moisture balance and leave it looking shiny, soft, and healthier than ever. Day 5. Rice water for hair strengthening. Welcome to Day 5. Today, we're using the power of rice water to strengthen and nourish your hair. Rice water is packed with vitamins, amino acids, and antioxidants that help to improve hair texture, reduce breakage, and encourage growth. How to make rice water. Take a quarter cup of rice and rinse it thoroughly to remove any impurities. Then, add it to 2 cups of water and let it soak for about 30 minutes. After that, strain the water into a bowl, and you're ready to go. Now, apply this rice water generously to your scalp and hair. You can use a spray bottle or pour it directly onto your hair. Gently massage it into your scalp for about 5 minutes to allow the nutrients to absorb deeply. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, you'll feel your hair becoming stronger and more resilient. Once the time's up, rinse it off with plain water. Rice water is an amazing natural treatment that will leave your hair looking shinier, feeling thicker, and growing healthier. Wow, you've made it to this point. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for Blooming Living. We pour so much effort and research into bringing you this valuable content. Your subscription is not just support, it's encouragement that drives us to keep creating more amazing videos for you. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and be a part of the Blooming Living family. Day 6. Aloe Vera for hydration and scalp health. It's day 6, and today we're using the natural miracle worker aloe vera. This plant is packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that hydrate and nourish your hair, reduce dandruff, and soothe your scalp, giving your hair the perfect balance of moisture and care. You can either use fresh aloe vera gel or store-bought pure aloe vera gel. If you're using fresh aloe vera, cut open the leaf and scoop out the gel. Apply the gel directly onto your scalp and hair, focusing on the roots. Massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes to boost blood circulation and to help the gel absorb deeply. After massaging, leave the aloe vera in for about 30 minutes to 1 hour to allow the nourishing properties to fully hydrate and soothe your scalp. Once done, rinse it off with lukewarm water. This will leave your hair feeling refreshed, smooth, and super hydrated. Aloe vera works wonders to calm any irritation on the scalp and helps prevent hair breakage. After day 7. Wrapping up the 7-day hair care routine. And here we are, 7 days of dedication and care for your hair. If you followed this routine, you're likely already starting to see some amazing results. If you stick to it, your hair will thank you. Now, here's something important. After following the complete week of this routine, I suggest taking a break for the next 2 weeks. Why? Because we've given your hair intense nourishment, and now it's time for your scalp and hair to breathe and reset. No need to do any more remedies during this break, just let your hair naturally heal and grow. After 2 weeks of giving your hair a break, you can repeat this routine for continued growth and health. Consistency is key for long-term result. If you follow this routine and take care of your hair, you'll definitely see incredible growth and improvements in no time. Thanks for trusting me with your hair journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Blooming Living. Your support means the world and keeps us motivated to create more amazing content just for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.